Hello everyone, my name is Vicky Sinha. I am from Delhi. I have completed my Master of Commerce in 2022 from Indira Gandhi National Open University. After that I am looking for a job and I am always interested in IT sector. So one of my friend told me about eVision. eVision is an online platform where we can learn so many IT programs. So I enrolled in eVision and I learned so many topics like Network Plus, CCNA, Windows Administration, MS Outlook, and ITIL and troubleshootings, and many more topics I am covered in this entire program. And teachers are very helpful. They teach a lot of things in practically as well as theoretically basis. And after completing the program, they will take mock interviews for preparing real-time interviews. And after completed the program, I got placed in Teleperformance with a package of 2.76 LPA. This will happen because of eVision. So thank you very much eVision and entire teachers. Thank you.